Couple of important tips when using our products for moss treatment. Remember that moss by its very nature requires moisture to survive, so you want to be applying the product when the moss is dry. In that way it will then draw the product into its roots and it will be at its most effective. If you try and apply it when the moss is saturated, it's just going to run off and have no effect. And again, another tip, if you've got a heavy build-up of moss, you really need to saturate it so that it does get drawn into the roots. Once applied over the course of a few days, you will see the moss changing colour as the product starts to take effect, and from then on it will be very easy to remove.